Introducing Qore-X, a compact development board. Designed for kids, students, teachers, and beginner programmers to learn basic hardware programming in an easier, more interactive, and fun way. Compact, easy to carry anywhere, and minimum cables. Consists of 4 bricks that can be easily detached. Supports 2 programming methods that can be adjusted to your abilities. Block-based programming that is easy, like building puzzle pieces. Or text-based programming with Arduino IDE software for further learning. To support learning, Qore-X comes with 3 specially designed guidebooks: Kids Book, Student Book, and Teacher Book. Bring your creative and innovative ideas to life with Qore-X. Launching soon on Kickstarter.